walking on his ground. Feel our pipe away. Just hit the ground and saw the home like a pair of roses. Fuck.